Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today with a gentle cat-cow stretch. With your hands to your thighs, inhale, gently arch your back, lifting through your chest, looking slightly up. Exhale, round your spine, drawing your chin towards your chest and your navel back. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath, moving your spine like a wave, stretching your spinal muscles along your back, your chest and front of your shoulders as you open, and the back of your neck and upper back as you round. Adding on, inhale, draw your elbows in towards your sides, lifting through your heart. And on your exhale, sweep your arms forward with the backs of your hands facing each other, rounding your spine, chin towards your chest. Continue wrapping this energizing movement around your breath, waking up the energy of your neck, arms, shoulders, chest, spine, and abdomen. Release and return to center. Step your feet into a wide stance, rooting down through both feet. With your spine long and your core engaged, begin to alternate reaching one arm across your body, flowing from right to left, keeping the weight even in your hips, making this movement as big or as small as comfortable. Feeling this energizing movement create more space and ease through your arms, shoulders, back, abdomen, and legs. Pausing at center, place your hands to your thighs with your fingertips pointing inward. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, draw opposite shoulder to knee. Inhale at center. Exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue flowing from right to left, keeping your core engaged and your legs active, waking up the energy of your chest, shoulders, back, and legs. Pausing at center, maintain your wide stance, moving into a forward bend variation. With an inhale, sweep your arms overhead, lengthening your spine, and on your exhale, gently fold forward from your hip creases, sweeping your arms towards the earth. Continue wrapping this energizing movement around your breath, keeping your core engaged and your legs active with your knees over your ankles, pressing your thighs open, feeling a gentle stretch through your arms, shoulders, back, and legs. Release and return to center, moving into a gentle hip opener. Come to sit a little more forward on your chair, clasping the sides of your chair for support. Step your feet into a wide stance and then lift your heels, coming onto the balls of your feet. Moving from your hip joint, begin to alternate, dropping one knee inward, adding an internal hip rotation, and then repeating on the opposite side. Continue alternating right and left, moving through your own range of motion, keeping your spine long and your core engaged, creating more mobility and flexibility through your hips. Release and step your feet back to center. Sitting tall with your core lightly engaged, begin to circle your right leg open and around for an external hip rotation, strengthening and toning through your hip flexors, core, and quadriceps while waking up your right hip. Stay connected to your breath as you switch directions, adding an internal hip rotation, gradually increasing your range of motion. Release, and let's go ahead and repeat this gentle hip rotation on the opposite side. Sitting tall with your core engaged, begin to circle your left leg open and around for an external hip rotation, making this movement as big or small as comfortable. Continue breathing deeply as you switch directions, adding an internal hip rotation, waking up your left hip. Release and return to center, moving into one more hip opener. Cross your right leg over your left. Clasp your hands beneath your chair, and when you're ready, slowly lengthen your torso forward out over your legs, folding forward from your hip creases. Optional to use your left hand to clasp your right ankle and gently draw your right heel toward the outside of your left hip, moving slowly and gently, giving your muscles time to relax into this stretch. Release, and let's go ahead and repeat this gentle hip opener on the opposite side. Cross your left leg over your right. Clasp your hands beneath your chair, and when you're ready, begin to lengthen your torso forward out over your legs. Optional to use your right hand to clasp your left ankle, gently drawing your left heel towards your outer right hip, feeling a gentle stretch through your left outer thigh, hip, and low back. Slowly lift your torso to upright and release, returning to center, moving into a one-legged seated forward bend. Extend your right leg forward, flexing through your right heel. Place your hands to your left thigh for support. Inhale, lengthen your spine. And on your exhale, lengthen your torso forward, out over your legs, folding forward from your hip creases, keeping your core engaged, your spine long, and your shoulders relaxed. Lift your torso to upright and repeat on the opposite side. Sitting tall, extend your left leg forward, flexing through your left heel. Place your hands to your right thigh for support. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, fold forward, out over your legs, folding forward from your hip creases, feeling your mind calm, stretching through your back body. Release and return to center. Sitting tall, place your hands to the seat of your chair and lift your heart, keeping the back of your neck long, drawing your shoulder blades down and back, supporting the lift of your chest for a mild back bend. Continue here or extend both your legs forward, keeping your legs active, pressing down through the soles of your feet. Continue breathing deeply, lengthening through your spine and arms, drawing your shoulders down away from your ears, feeling your neck long. Step your feet back to center, adding a cat-cow stretch variation with your hands to the seat of your chair. Inhale, lift through your heart, and on your exhale, sweep your arms forward, rounding your spine, chin towards your chest. Continue wrapping this energizing movement around your breath, feeling a gentle stretch through your neck, arms, shoulders, chest, spine, and abdomen. Release and return to center. Inhale, sweep your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the right, reaching your left hand to your right leg, placing your right hand behind you for support, gently rotating from your navel, ribs, and chest. Continue breathing deeply, allowing this twisting action to provide a gentle massage for your spine and belly organs. Unwind and repeat on the opposite side. Inhale, reach your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the left, reaching your right hand to your left leg, placing your left hand behind you for support. Taking a few slow, deep breaths here. Release and return to center, closing our practice for today. Placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste.
Now that was good.
To purchase a copy of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr on DVD, visit happyyoga.tv. And to gain access to over 100 episodes of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr, visit happyyogaondemand.com.